If you need to change oil on a Hyundai Sonata 2021 hybrid limited that's low to the ground, here's the solution. Just get yourself some 2x8, some 2x4, make a bunch of ramps, and you'll be able to get enough clearance. But you have to make it long enough so that while you're coming up, you don't hit the bumper on the way up. So I made this one by laying a 2x8, then drove a little bit, saw how much room I had on the front part of the bumper where this sticks out right here, because you got to have enough room all the way to here, and otherwise you'll hit it. So I just kind of drove the car up slowly and kept screwing stuff on, backing it off, bringing it forward. And you'll see what I mean, because the front's so low that you've got to have enough room right here so you don't scrape the front as you go up.